Starting from the Grub menu, I'm just going with the default install option. Install AlmaLinux 10.2. Now, for language, I'm keeping it on English. Software selection stays as is. I'm using the graphical user interface for this build. For installation destination, I'm keeping it simple. I'm using the default disk selection and letting AlmaLinux handle the layout. And for network and host name, I'm going to grab the MAC address from this server and add it to my router. That way, every time this VM boots, my router gives it the same IP address. Now for user creation, I'm creating an admin user. For security profile, I'm not selecting one right now. Kdump, I'm leaving alone. And that's it. Now that everything looks good, I'll begin the installation. All right, and that's it. Now that everything is done, I'm going to reboot my system. The next video, I'll add critical system services like AutoFS, Ansible, and Git. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.